using the grinders to lubricate everything. First lubrication point is on either side of the start wheel. A drop on either side of the nut. A dribble along the length of the shaft. A little bead on the front rail. A bead on the back rail. Also, on the face of the back rail and on the bottom back rail. We want lots of oil here. We want everything to slide very nicely. Again, another ribbon of oil on the front, another ribbon of oil on the bottom front rail. When we start out, we want the nut right here, which revolves. We want it on the right side.